Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about logistics and supply chain management. That is come under supply chain management topic. Um, so here we are going to discuss about role of transportation in supply chain. So here basically we are going to understand the role of transportation in the supply chain. We are going to evaluate the strength and weaknesses of different mode of transportation. So let's see one by one. Transportation. Transportation refers to the movement of product from one location to another, right? Since it is makes way from the beginning of a supply chain to the customer. Because when we talk about supply chain management, starting from the scratch, that is getting the raw material for creating the product or developing the product, plus once the product is developed through proper distribution channel, it should reach the customer. So the entire scenario, the transportation play a major role, right? So here we can take different mode of transportation, like we can use truck, airport, plane. That is, it will take. Suppose we are relying on the airport means, then definitely it will take via truck. It is taken to the airport and it is scheduled to any cargo. Now from another airport to again it is loaded to truck and it is go to the particular warehouse, isn't it? So this is the way only we are actually transporting products from maybe one country to another, or when it is a long distance, we'll always rely on airports. Now, so the role of transportation is even more significant in global supply chains. And let us take Dell. Dell currently has suppliers worldwide and sell to customers all over the world from just a few plants. Yeah, definitely when we talk about Apple product or Dell product, they have a manufacturing center in very few locations. But when during marketing or when actually they're selling all over the world, right? So automatically the transportation play a major role. Similarly, we will take another one example, that is Amazon. So Amazon supply chain is actually represented in this diagram. So here also we have most of the cases we have a same day delivery, and for Amazon Prime members they are able to get the same day delivery, right? So according to this, the customer may be ordered the product online, and definitely the warehouse it may be present within. Let us take India itself. We have a major metro cities, right? So the metro cities probably they have a warehouse with all the products. So whenever customer orders something, which one is the shortest metro city from that warehouse, it is actually transferred to city for a particular local hub. From local hub, it is actually delivered to the customer. So most probably within India means, and within a state means, there is a possibility of transporting the product in the same day. So that is also possible. But when the demand is very huge, there may be a delay to distribute the product on time. Okay. And again, the Flipkart, more or less, this is also play a same scenario, whatever happened in Amazon. So here it is getting the products from manufacturer, because different manufacturers get providing different products that are all kept in a warehouses, and warehouses and delivery centers of Flipkart. It may be present in metro cities or in different location, and they have their own warehouses. And based on the customer address, it will be transported from the warehouse to delivery center. I mean, uh, which one is having a most short distance, that particular location, the delivery center, it will be initially transported, and it may use a third party or it has its own services via that. If it is a third party, it will courier it, right? So via courier service, it will deliver to the customer. Otherwise, they have their own transportation, own services, own delivery services from delivery center. So again, it is transferred the product to the customer. End of the day, the customer receiving the product on time. Okay, and that is another representation. So any companies we are taking, this is representing the Walmart. So Walmart is the international customer. They have their own warehouses, company headquarters will be there, and retail stores also. Some nowadays the Walmart having lot of retail stores also, and here the communication everything is controlled with the help of a satellite. Even Walmart have, they are relying on satellite, and from the inception, like customer order to delivery of the product, everything is mm, taken care by the various headquarters, and they will trace where exactly the product is now, and when it is a tentative schedule of reaching the product, everything is actually accurately measured and managed. Okay, that's all. Thank you.